Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time here, I'm Amina and welcome to aminacookss, a flavorful, delectable, mouth-watering and heartwarming recipe that has northern Nigerian touch on them. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken pepper soup. I know this is quite a popular dish. Literally almost everybody has his own way of making it, but I'm going to show you the way that I make mine. That secret that I've been hiding for some time now. I hope you follow around. By the way, in this pot I've already have chicken which is washed clean. If you're wondering which type of chicken is, yeah, sunan kazar Hausa da Turanci. Anyway, I don't know. There are different sorts of chickens, but our own type of is it local chicken? Let me put it this way. Yeah, you know, it's a bit tougher than the normal chicken, but so flavorful. It takes like forever to cook sometimes, and it even depends on the type of chicken that you use. Some are usually tougher than the others, but then it's so flavorful. In this, I have 2 chickens, then some water. I have spring onions, some kimba. I told you guys it's my favorite spice right now. Then cinnamon, you can see the cinnamon stick. Then dried ginger, and this is African nutmeg. Get a mia. So we are not done yet. I'm going to add pepper, then seasoning. Sorry, when I said peppers, I mean scotch bonnets. Yeah. Then some seasoning, and we'll allow it to cook until it's very tender. Then I will show you the twist in the recipe. Okay, so in order to be more consistent with videos and this YouTube of a thing, I've made a decision to film whenever I cook. I mean, whenever I feel like filming, obviously. When I cook and I'm in the mood of filming, I will take my camera and then film the recipe for you guys. Yeah, so I guess from now on it will be more like cooking vlog of a thing. Okay, so I have added scotch bonnet, paprika, which is tatasai. I know this a little bit surprising, right? When I found out that paprika, it's actually tatasai. I was surprised. Anyway, that's story for another day. Then lawashi, spring onion. Then I added dried rosemary, dried thyme, seasoning, salt. Now this will cook for at least an hour or even more than that, depending on how tough it turns out to be. So the pepper soup is almost done, and now I'm sauteing some red onion, leek, spring onion, ginger, garlic, and celery. Okay, this is what it looks like at the bottom. Maybe you can see. Yeah, I've reduced the heat. Oh, steam. Yeah, better. I've reduced the heat, but I'm very sure of it. This at the bottom is the ginger and garlic. I'm going to add some of the kitchen water / stock. I think it's stock, right? Into the pan to deglaze it. Okay, can you see? This is what it's supposed to be. I think I failed to mention I definitely did. Okay, I've added seasoning cubes, I have added salt, curry powder, and coriander powder, along with garam masala. Yeah, that's just it. How clumsy, right? I totally forgot to film that, but this is what I added. By the way, after 30 minutes, it's still not cooked yet. That's how long it can take. Okay, after deglazing the pan, this is what the veggies looks like. They are very fragrant right now. I wish you could smell it. Okay, after 2 hours, it's finally done. Okay, some tips. You can see the water is not that much. You can't even call it soup. Maybe you can to some extent, but it's not that much. And that's because I had it from my grandmother, that the authentic local type of peppersoup when it comes to northern part. how they used to do it back in the days was with less water than we usually do. I thought, okay, here goes in the fragrant veggies. This is what make pepper so different. I hope you learned something new from this, because this channel it's all about discovering and digging on all these secrets on how to make the authentic Hausa food.